Hello everyone. This time I will present an English project assessment. There are two topics that I present, namely inside the computer, software and operating system. First, I will introduce myself first. My name Muhammad Jidan with name 192308872 and class 19 to A. Now I will present the result of my assessment, and the first topic is inside the computer. This time we will discuss the definitions computer. The general definition of a computer is a set of electronic tools that can be used to process data according to various procedures that have been precisely formulated so that they are able to provide information that is very useful for its user. And in the next slide, inside the computer, the component contained in a computer are divided into the three groups, namely input, process, and output. Following is the explanation. Number one, process component. A component that has the task of processing or processing command given by firmware so that it is then displayed on the computer output component. And number two, input component, hardware component that are responsible for providing task order that will later be given to 10 computer. Number three, output component. A component whose job is to display information from a command that has been processed by the computer. Okay, in the next slide, process component. And in the process component, there is motherboard. The motherboard is the computer main circuit board. This board is a thin plate on which the CPU, memory, hard disk connector, and optical device, video and audio expense card, as well as connection to several ports on the computer. For example, USB port are installed. The motherboard functions as a container for all computer components that are connected to each other. And in the next slide, CPU. The CPU short for Central Processing Unit, also called the processor, the core located inside the computer and mounted on the motherboard. Sometimes the CPU is also referred to as the brain of the computer, which serves as the carrier of instruction order to the computer. And this and there is random access memory or RAM. RAM is short-term computer memory. Whenever a computer performs a calculation, the computer stores the calculation data in RAM until data is needed. RAM is measured in megabyte or MB or gigabyte or GB. The larger the RAM size, the greater the data it can accommodate when the computer is executing instruction on the computer. In the next slide, there is hard disk. A hard disk is a medium for storing all file used on the computer. A hard disk is a type long-term memory where the data stored is not lost when the computer is turned off. And there is power supply. The power supply unit function to supply power from an outlet to the computer. This unit supplies power to all devices on the computer. And this slide, expansion card. The majority of computer have expansion slot on the motherboard to install expansion card. Sometimes Sometimes this expansion slot is called PCI or a peripheral component interconnect. The following are several types of expansion cards that are commonly used. Number one, video graphic card. Number two, sound card. Number three, network card. Number four, Bluetooth adapter. And this slide, here, this is input component. In this input component, there are keyboard. The keyboard is a board containing letter and number key. The keyboard is often used to give command to the computer, type document, or carry out other input process. And mouse, a tool that can be used to control the movement of the cursor on the screen. The mouse has two buttons that when clicked can produce certain command. Scanner, a tool often used to convert print material, such as text or image, into a form that can be read or viewed on a computer. Webcam. This tool is often installed on the top of a computer or laptop. Webcams are used to take a picture or video and then send them to other people. Monitor, part of computer unit that display visual data, image or program that are being monitored consists of various types. Some are LCD, flat, and so on. Printer, a computer output device that is often used to produce data in physical form. Data that can be generated via the print include text, image, and video screenshot. And this output component, the ear projector, this tool is often used to display data in a larger display form. The projector is used by connecting it to a computer or laptop. The projector screen can be wall or a large with wide screen. Speaker. Speaker are often also called loudspeaker. Usually, speakers are used to listen to music, voice, or other form of audio. And this slide, topic 2, software and operating system. Definition: software and operating system. Software is a collection of instruction data or program used to operate a computer and carry out certain tasks. The term software refers to the application, script, and program that run on a device. Operating system. An operating system is a collection of software that can manage hardware resources and provide service for computer application program. History. In this slide, history 1. Early era. In this era, computers still use simple operating system or even had no operating system at all. 2. Number 2, batch system. In this era, the use of batch system on the computer become popular. This system allow users to submit tasks in batch and execute them automatically. Number 3, time sharing screen. This era was marked by the emergence of time sharing operating system which allow several users to interact with the process they create alternately for the same amount of time. Number 4, microprocess-based operating system. With the advent of processor, computer become more user-friendly and could be user personally. Number 5. Graphic operating system. In this era, graphical operating system become dominant. Microsoft Windows and Apple Macintosh OS released versions that allowed users to interact with graphical interface using icon, windows, and the mouse. Number 6. Modern operating system. The technological development and increasingly complex needs have led to sophisticated modern operating systems. In addition, operating system development have also occurred in the field of mobile phone and tablet device with the emergence of Android and iOS. In this slide, there are operating system function. Number one, running the program. Number two, maintain data security from a cyber attack. Number three, setting disks. Number four, manage running process. Number five, controlling device. Number six, controlling the printing process. Displaying number seven, displaying the interface or user interface or UI. Most popular operating system. One Number one, Microsoft Windows. The Windows operating system has been around since the 100, 109, 1009, and this slide most popular operating system. Number one, Microsoft Windows. The Windows operating system has been around since the 100 1980, then had several versions on up and update. Microsoft Windows is popular type of operating system and is prelude on most of the latest type of computer and laptop. Number two, macOS. macOS products are also known by their user for their ease of use. 10. Continue to improve the user experience. Fast processing speed, simple desktop interface, and very useful resource make use make use user feel at home with this operating system. Number three, Android. Android OS is the primary OS for Google mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet. Number four, Apple iOS. Apple iOS is a mobile operating system used used exclusively for the iPhone. The iOS operating system has regular update, new expansion to the software and offer new feature for its user. And this slide, most popular operating system. Number five, Linux. This operating system is an open system and anyone can modify and disrupt it. Because the operating system is open source, it can be used to create various types of Linux, including Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat, and Slackware. Um, Thank you for watching my video presentation in this time. If there are any wrong words, please forgive me. And Thank you and goodbye.